Zone. I got lights in this bitch. Turn me up some cruise. Jim in this bitch, L's in this bitch. What's up? I bought the Richie for a quarter, but I sold it for a nickel. Hold on, let me hit the blunt. I'm bringing real niggas home. Shit, I'm the realest. It's official. Yeah. When I start stressing, I get bored. Might spend $1 million. That shit tickle. On the three-way, me and slow. He called L's and we both pickle in the cell, but you can't tell that we in the jail, cause we don't feel no pain unless them kids say in vain that I miss you. If you my dog, I'm tryna put you on the shit that I'm on. Super drippy, made the padded master, kicks got on. Told him to semi-automatic, ain't no pushing me, dog. Time bomb, niggas ticking me off. Look at the skyline, front of penthouse, like Walt Disney, dog. Send it to the mall and tell her get some DR. Made her text her best friend, she said he Christian me, y'all. And the crazy part about it, there wasn't shit to me, y'all. Shit, I been winning a long time, I know they sick of me, y'all. Got me switching up my flow again, switching up my hoe again. Everybody been changing, got me switching up my bro again. My dog did his bid, he came back home, he switched this pole again. And I ain't even want to tell him to slide, he tryna go again. Once he got active, I said go again. Yeah, can't get my tactics, I'm not average, all I know is win. Total blowout, it's like 0 to 10, yeah. And this is expensive pain when you riding through the trenches, bulletproof all on the range. This is expensive pain. Loving on the bitch you claim, knowing some rich niggas hit it. It'll never be the same. This is expensive pain. This is expensive pain. Went through some shit about this money, I seen some niggas change. Expensive pain. $1 million on the richer than this plane. And it's crazy, I never checked the time, and now I expensive frames, these Cartiers. I want your bitch and I just call her here, we all in here. Ask why me and Stylus, I used to ball in there. Shit, I been throwing paper since Bernice was going hard in here, no kissing. Yeah, expensive bitches, more money, more riches. Cops get behind us, we start taking our switches. Niggas being nice, but we don't be in y'all business. Shit, how you think we always end up being in y'all bitches? This is the same feeling that you get like when you a kid on Christmas. I just knocked down a little celeb and I was on her hit list. And I ain't been rapping, I've been trapping, tryna learn my business. They thought I fell off, but they well off. I gotta keep my name worth more than money and gold, and remain humble around my people, the songs spoil my soul. And I keep my dreams, but for the fame and all these spoil little hoes. Cause I got 2 sons that's kings and they like spoil little bros. And they want everything they call, I buy them, order them clothes. You gotta watch for everything, they'll die to spoil your goals. And I be polying with people that got the word of control, cause they know I got the influence, you can feel in your soul. This is culture currency. Money shit don't never worry me. Gotta have my chopper from this bitch, this shit been getting embarrassing. She seen me cuddle with my stick, say boy you need some therapy.